I'm Jo Hart, and I'm an actress. As you're growing up, it's very easy to compare yourself to people and, undervalue yourself. If you don't see beauty in yourself, then how are other people supposed to? You have to work hard to love yourself sometimes. I have always known that I wanted to be an actress. Really, really shy as a child. But as soon as I got on the stage, it was like I came alive and I lost all of that. So I've always loved performing because I suppose it was an outlet where I didn't have to be shy. Growing up, I saw being pretty in my gran, in all these wonderful qualities that she had, which I now look on as beautiful. For me, it's about being happy, and I think when you're happy and content, beauty radiates from you, and it's a mixture of all your personality traits, but also if you're happy, you smile and then your eyes twinkle, and that's beauty.